In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to thrive with MindBody software. This powerful platform can transform the way you manage your wellness or fitness business, and we're here to guide you through the essentials so you can make the most of what it offers. Let's start with online booking and scheduling. Log into your MindBody business app or desktop dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to schedule, then classes, and select add class. Here, you'll set important details like the class name, the instructor, duration, and capacity. With everything set up, your clients can easily view and book the class using your MindBody app listing, your website booking widget, or even by clicking on a direct link shared through social media. A handy tip is to enable the waitlist option to ensure your loyal clients never miss out when a class becomes fully booked. Next, let's talk about integrated payments. MindBody provides secure payment processing through MindBody Payments, making it straightforward to handle transactions. To set this up, head over to Sales, select Settings, then opt for MindBody Payments. Enter your business banking details to connect your account. You'll then be ready to accept payments online, in person, or via mobile checkout. Clients can pay for things like drop-in classes, memberships, gift cards, or even packages and passes. As a bonus, setting up recurring billing for memberships ensures clients stay active and helps you enjoy a stable income. Now let's dive into client management or CRM. This feature helps you track every client interaction and purchase seamlessly. Go to Clients and select Client List. By clicking a client's name, you can view their booking history, memberships, notes and preferences along with their contact details. It's a great idea to add personal notes, such as whether a client prefers morning yoga or has specific health considerations. Utilize tags like VIP, trial, or new client to group clients, which can be beneficial for future marketing campaigns. Moving on to the marketing suite and automations, which is one of the most powerful growth features, letting you automate marketing 24/7. Head to the marketing section and explore the marketing suite. Here, you can dive into campaigns to send newsletters, offers, or updates. Set up automations for things like welcome, win back, or birthday flows. You can also run promotions like offering special deals. Don't forget to check the insights section to track performance metrics such as open rates and conversions, which help you refine your strategies. For those offering virtual fitness and wellness services, MindBody's virtual wellness feature is a must. Start by enabling virtual wellness under Settings, then MindBody Virtual Wellness. Create your class and toggle on the Enable Virtual Class option. This setting automatically generates a private streaming link for clients who have booked, allowing them to join live sessions conveniently from anywhere. On to reports and analytics, a key component for tracking your business performance. Navigate to Reports and select Business Reports. You can choose from various report types, such as sales reports for daily revenue and transactions, attendance reports for popular classes and instructors, and retention reports to see who's sticking around and who's not. Finally, don't forget to export these reports as PDF or Excel for easy bookkeeping. Lastly, the MindBody app enhances the client experience by enabling them to find local fitness studios, book classes, pay securely, receive reminders, and leave reviews. By being visible on the app, your business can automatically gain exposure to new clients, bolstering your growth. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough to help you thrive using MindBody software. We hope this enhances your business operations and client satisfaction.